Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing a consistent canvas. Set the slide size to 16, 9, or your target frame and lock guides. Next, import or create vector-style assets using shapes and merge shapes so they scale cleanly. This avoids pixelation when you animate. Once done, open the selection pane and name layers logically. Make sure to enable grid and snap for accurate motion paths. These steps reduce rework later and let you focus on motion rather than fixing alignment problems. Now you'll construct the animation timeline by combining motion paths with entrance and emphasis effects. Sequence them in the animation pane so actions flow logically. For believable movement, tweak duration and delay and apply smooth start or smooth end to ease acceleration. This is why timing matters. Group related parts to keep limbs or objects synchronized, and set rotation anchors before rotating. Once configured, preview at full speed and iterate until motion reads clearly and character weight. Finish by polishing. Add subtle secondary motion, shadows, and match sound effects to sell the action. When you export, choose MP4 with 30 FPS for smooth playback or GIF for short loops. Make sure to export full slide dimensions to avoid scaling artifacts. If motion looks jittery, increase keyframes by breaking a long path into shorter segments or switch to smoother paths and tweak easing. Finally, test on the target device and adjust bitrate or frame rate to resolve playback stutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.